Hey folks, this is me on my Sur-ron LightBee X road legal version 2024 with no limiter and bunch of other modes that I'll be sharing in my videos. Handlebar riser check, light switch check, non-O-ring chain and 54-tooth sprocket check, better taillight location check. Today I'll install PEG support bar, but first let me introduce you justway.com. If you're in need for CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing, injection molding or suction casting just the way you like it, justway.com will sort you out with best prices and customer support. You can find link to $5 credit in description below. Justway.com, give them a go, you won't regret it. And back to the video. PEG support bar, kinda essential thing for every Surron LightBee out there. Without it, as soon as bike falls down, you most certainly end up with bent PEG holder. So this $15 part saves a lot of headache. Link in description below. This exact one has JFG Racing logo on it and it comes with shims, screws and washers with flat spot. It's made from alloy. Alright, I'll need PEG support bar, blue Loctite, 4 main bolts, 6mm Allen key to remove these 2 bolts. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is perfect time to do it. I'll be releasing more Suron videos. Also have a look at one where I compared O-ring chain with non-O-ring chain, GPS speeds and all the bus. These bolts are quite long and yes, they have a Loctite on them from factory. Here is PEG with its holder. Now let me show you up close this washer with flat spot. Very important. And also 2 shims, each different thickness. And of course, same on other side. Now I'll test fit the bar. These are 2 spots for bar to go in. Always choose the one that is most to the back of the bike. It will work better. So logo align facing to the back and this can go on. I'll tighten the bolts and see how many or if any shims needed. By the way, all products that I used on my LightBee X are linked in description below. Oh yes, there is quite a bit of play. I'll certainly use all 4 shims to get rid of that play. So again, bolts out. Oh yes, if you wonder why I'm doing it from right side, it is easier as on left side a stand attached to the PEG holder. Cool, so all 4 shims will go on. Remember, 2 thicknesses, so 1 of each to each side to keep that logo nice and center. Oh yeah, just like so. Let me put it on and apply a bit of Loctite on bolts. As last thing you want is these to come loose. Let me tighten them. Torque value is like so. And now there is no play at all, but luckily I can still spin the bar and make sure logo facing to the back. Done. Next, these bolts are for 4mm Allen key and here washer with flat spot goes on. Bit of Loctite, why not? And screw it in, like so. Flat spot on washer goes right next to the PEG base. It is a bit tricky but doable. Again that logo and proper lock. Do the same on other side and enjoy rigid pegs and extra jack-up point. As I said, this is essential for every LightBee out there. Thanks for watching and see you next time.